So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Geek Jam. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use math notes in the calculator app in iOS 18. To use this feature, launch the calculator app on your iPhone. Now tap on this icon and then tap on math notes. After this, tap on continue. Now type a equation which ends with equals to, like 1 plus 1 equals to, and this will generate the answer automatically. You can also use handwritten notes. For this, tap on this icon and now write the equation which ends with equals to. Let's say 1 plus 1 equals to, and this will generate the answer. So this is how you can use math notes in the calculator app in iOS 18. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.